Alright, well, this one finally ran out of fuel. It's run for close to an hour and a half. The ET7, I did refill it after the first quit, so it ran about 20 minutes and then about 25 minutes on each of its tanks. So the ET1 here is still like super fuel efficient compared to a lot of the other engines once I got the speed down on it. So yeah, it's been a nice day of running, and it's nice the ET1 is still the most reliable of the engines, because I haven't run it since the last time it was on the channel, and it started right up again. The EM2, I will tear it further and further apart, I guess. Maybe we'll look at the carburetor fuel mixer and make sure there's nothing stuck in that.